Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, please check them out. So today what we're going to be doing is an installation of a new electrical outlet. This is a fireplace that I just built, so we wanted to have an outlet up at the mantle so we can plug Christmas decorations and things like that in. So the first step that I did is I put down some blue painter's tape. That way I can mark out where I need the box to be. If there's any marks that I made that are incorrect, and that way I'm not putting it right onto the paint. It just makes it easier if you make any mistakes, to go back and correct them. So first I put a level line down the bottom at the height that I wanted the bottom to be. Then I go ahead and measure the box and see how high I need to make that measurement as well. Take my level, put that line in as well, and then we will measure the width of the box and put the width lines in. Make sure, double check everything before you go and make that cut, because once you make the cut, it's pretty hard to go back. And this will be the same for wood, block, drywall, anything you're putting a box in, it'll be the same procedure for all of them. So once we have all the measurements made and we have it marked out on our blue painter's tape, then we will go ahead and take whatever tool we're going to use to make the hole. I chose a multi-tool. It's pretty easy to go into wood. It works excellent in drywall. You could also use a jigsaw, or even just if you're going in drywall, a regular drywall saw. But the multi-tool works pretty well for this. So I will go ahead and cut out this hole, and then we'll catch back up here. Alright, so now we have the hole into the wall. Just so you know, this is not a live wire. If you're new to electrical work or anything like that, you definitely want to turn the breaker off before you go and mess with it. If you're a little more experienced, you can try and do it with and when it's still hot, but it's not recommended. Again, this wire was not live, so because it's a new installation. So these boxes are extremely easy to use. Basically, it has two ears that flop down when you tighten the screws. So you just fish the wire through the back of the box. They have openings. Then you put the box into the hole that you created and tighten down the two screws on opposite sides. That puts the ears down and tightens the box up tight against the wall. Then you're going to want to go ahead and strip back the coating on your electrical wire. And once you get the coating back, then you can go ahead and strip the black and the white wire back just about, I would say, half an inch, so that you have enough to get into the actual outlet itself. The outlet that I used had the nice connections on the back of it where you can just push the wire right into the back. If it doesn't have that, then you're just going to put a little loop on the black and the white wire so that you can put it around the tightening screw. But if it has that little hole in the back, it's definitely easier. You obviously want to put the black on one side, which is the hot, and the white, which is the neutral, on the opposite side. And then the copper bare wire will go on the green screw, which is the ground wire. This is going to be the same in all installations. And then once you get all these tightened up, you're going to want to go ahead and put some electrical tape around the entire outlet where the metal screws are. That way, if anybody's in there doing work in the future, they can't touch both sides, the hot and the other side of the wire, and get electrocuted. Also, it just prevents any shorts or anything of that nature. So it's just a safety precaution, and it's easy to do. Alright, well, now that we have everything connected up, we want to go ahead and just push the wires back towards the back of the box and put the outlet in. Then we will tighten down the two screws, and then we can put the cover plate on. It's really that simple. Electrical work is really not that hard. If you check out this video, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will try and do my best to help you out. And let me know if you have any other suggestions that you would like to see me do in the future. And please like and subscribe so we can continue this channel, and I'm really excited about it. Thank you.